Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and as you can see, I am just trying on this glossy, fruity, hydrating, moisturizing dragon fruit lip gloss. It's in my new lip gloss collection, and you can find it at my Etsy shop. And there it is, the subscribe button. Just go ahead, subscribe to this channel, like these videos, and turn on those notifications. So today we're going to be using my absolute favorite, the grapeseed oil, the coconut oil. It's fractionated, some vitamin E. These are the flavorings. I have the dragon fruit flavorings. I'm using lime oil, the hydrogenated polyisobutene, and I have the Octyldodecanol oil. That was always hard for me to pronounce, but I'll have everything listed in the description box below for you guys. And also here I'm going to be using some True Red Orange to get that dragon fruit color. And right here we have the dragon fruits and the lemon. I also have in this bowl already my Versed gel. I'm also going to be using the polybutene to thicken it up a bit. I just have it in this plastic because it's very sticky. Kind of annoying when using it because of the stickiness, but I just have it in this, and I'm going to be using some of that in this. So we're not going to be using any wax at all in this mixture, because all of the emollients and the oils, the carrier oils, and these things will have it absolutely moisturized or very hydrating for your lips. So I'm using the polybutene sparingly as I put this into the mixture. You don't need a lot of it. It's just that I want a little bit of thickness out of it, and like I said, it's really thick and sticky, so it can be annoying. So that's why I have to really be careful using it. If you feel as if you need more of the polybutene in this mixture, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so I prefer to just add it in first and then go in with the carrier oils, using them sparingly, and I usually go from there to measure out to see if I want it any thicker or any thinner. But what I can do is do a measurement of this in a later video, or you can go to my other videos and see what measurements that I use there. So there we have that, and we're just gonna thoroughly mix it around. I definitely have to add some more of the carrier oils in it, but right now I'm going to be adding some of the emollients, like the hydrogenated polyisobutene. I really love that in the mixture. And also this is another emollient, the Octyldodecanol, I think, but I will have the names going across the screen, so no need to worry, you guys. So this is gonna have this gloss base, so moisturizing, long lasting on your lips, smooth, silky, a nice slip and all. So like I said, this is gonna be super moisturizing. That's what we're looking for. And we're gonna look for a little coolness, so this is like a summer refresher. And I'm thinking about adding a little peppermint oil also in this. What I didn't mention is I'm adding the dragon fruit and the lime oil. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but if I did, I'm saying it again. So let's add some more of the grapeseed and the fractionated coconut oil. We don't need any more vitamin E. If you want to learn more about these oils, I have tons of videos on these oils, so you can go back and watch some of them, but I'll have some of them listed in the description box below to make it a bit easier for you guys. So this True Red Orange is from TKB, so I'm going to just put a little bit in it first just to see what I'm going to get out of the color. Like we said, we're looking for that dragon fruit color, and this is absolutely the perfect mica color for it. Sparingly. So there you have it coming together. Just a little. This is the dragon fruit flavor that I'm using, and I got this from One-on-One Flavors. This is where I mainly get my flavors from. It's a company based in Nevada. Yep. So we want this to be really dragon fruity, so we're gonna just dump it all in. It smells amazing. Yeah. I'm gonna use the lime oil because we're doing a lemon dragon fruit. Smells so good. The lime oil complements it well. More dragon fruit. I'll go ahead and put some fine lip glitter in this. I think you can also. If you want to thicken it a bit, you can do that with the polybutene. Yeah, so that's the mixture for that, and then we're going to go ahead and put them in the tubes. So I'm going to be using some of these little ice cubes also. What I'll do is I'll stick them around the perimeter of the tubes. Just going to put a few of them in it. I don't know if you can see. So you cannot fill this all the way up here because it will be a boo-boo for you. So you have to actually fill it up to there. It's a lot. These are really thick tubes. As you can see, it's very wide and it's a whole lot of gloss inside of here. So this is another way that you can also do it. You can just go ahead, put some of the ice cubes in it, like so. Like so. Like I said, it has to be filled at a certain amount. You can also do it like that. I don't know which way you prefer. I think I like this way better. And there you have it. The glosses came out absolutely perfect, and you can find them at my Etsy shop. I will have the links listed in the description box below. These are 6 ml of glosses. Aren't they lovely? Goodbye, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and turn on the notifications.